Hi, I've got a simple box here open in Chief X12. When you go to the Build Roof dialog box and you go to Roof Styles, there's instructions on how to do the various roofs. And there's a Gambrel, click on it, and it opens a tutorial on how to do that. Okay. But what I'm going to do is do what the tutorial said. You take your targeted gable walls, open those, go to the roof tab, roof tab, there it is, and full gable wall. And then these two walls, the opposing walls, open them and go to the roof tab. You can see the pitches, the global pitch is 5. I think I'm going to change that over here to 12. Now I'm going to go back over here and shift select these walls, go to the roof tab, and then the pitch, I'm going to change, well, it's, yeah, pitches, and then the upper pitch, I want 612. So you have to click upper pitch. And then let's see what that does. I'm just going to build roof. And voila. A Gambrel roof. So if you're going to auto build a Gambrel, you have to do what I just did. Gable, gable, and then program this perpendicular walls to have a second pitch. And of course, if you want specific pitches and so forth, then you have to make that quite specific. I was just doing it for a demonstration. I hope this helps you. And the tutorial, like I said, is over here in the Build Roof dialog under Roof Styles. And each auto setup for this wall type, I mean this roof type, is haloed there. Okay, have a great day. Thanks for watching.